In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Zoom on your computer. We'll keep this quick and simple, and by the end of the video, Zoom should be installed and ready to open on your desktop. This is a useful process if you're preparing for online meetings, virtual classes, interviews, or team collaboration, and want the full desktop app instead of using Zoom in a browser. To get started, open your web browser. You can use any common browser you prefer, and once it's open, go to zoom.us/download. This will take you to Zoom's official download page, where you can safely get the installer for the desktop application. When the page loads, look for the section labeled Zoom Workplace Desktop Client. Under that section, click the download button. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file to your computer. In most cases, the file will be saved automatically to your downloads folder, unless your browser is set up to ask where you want to save files first. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder and locate the file named zoominstaller.exe. Double-click that file to begin the installation. If your computer displays a security or permissions prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, go ahead and approve it so the installation can continue. After that, just follow the on-screen prompt to complete the installation. This part usually only takes a short moment. During installation, make sure not to close the window or interrupt the process. If your internet connection is stable and your computer is running normally, the setup should finish without any issues. When the installation is done, Zoom will launch automatically. That's how you'll know the process completed successfully. At that point, the app is installed and ready for you to use. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the installer in your downloads folder, check your browser's download history or the download bar at the top or bottom of the browser window, depending on which browser you're using. Also, if Zoom doesn't open automatically after installation, you can open it manually from your start menu or desktop shortcut if one was created. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom on your computer, and you're ready to start using the desktop app.